be having an accident here. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. Really, dude? This dude here tripping. We have a fire. And look like I'm chucking. That dude just went around everybody. I mean, really? Car's on fire. I don't know. Bad crash.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be here for a while. Is there any fire extinguisher up there?
You never know what's going to happen out here on these streets. You never know what's going to happen. When it's going to be a last day. Excuse me. I don't know if the person is still in the vehicle. I just pulled up and I'm trying to zoom in. And these people are going around me, you know, look at them. You know, these people, man, they have no patience. Nobody want to wait. But, I don't know if that person made it. I can't really tell if, I can't tell if anybody, because I just pulled up and I saw that. Sorry, but I'm trying to get the perfect, I'm trying to get a good look on it, but I can't. I spot it. I can't zoom in no closer. I wonder what happened. Who hit who? But I am on I-69 and where am I? Evansville, Indiana. And they finna shut it down, man. We gonna be here for a while. And I just stopped at the truck stop, do my little 30-minute break. And this happened. Shut everything down, man. I guess I better go ahead and play me a game because I'm gonna be here for a while. But life, man, you never know. I hope those people survive. Hopefully they were able to get out of the vehicle on time. And because life I'm telling you, man, this life is, these roads are, I'm telling you, the way these people drive, nobody cares. You put your signal on to get over, nobody want to let you get over. And this is what causes these problems. Nobody gives a crap, or nobody. You know, if I was, oh man, it just exploded. If I were the governor or whatever city, I'll implement, upon getting a driver's license, you need to, something that deals with truckers. You gotta have courtesy, man. You have to let truckers over. You got to. I don't know what these people are doing now, but at? Come on. He directed traffic like he the police. Sorry about the video recording though. I'm trying to capture everything. I might have to go on and turn my truck off. Wasting my gas. I'm glad I'm in front because that traffic backed up. It just happened. I got a FedEx truck in front of me and a Cadillac and a Honda. And it says Kentucky, but I'm in Indiana, almost in Kentucky. I'm so glad that I'm in front because if you look back there on that line back there, oh, the truck is cussing right now. I know they're cussing. Look at that line back there. Oh, there's a line. Turn on my CB.
Let him over.
Alright, here comes the ambulance.
Comes the Band-Aid wagon. I hope nobody passed. I hope they were able to get up out of that thing in time. Pretty bad when the ambulance gets here for the fire truck. What's going on, fellas? We got a wreck there. It looks like a car got underneath the semi. Part of the axles out of the semi-trailer, front end of the truck. Car's on fire. Semi's on fire, you said? Oh boy, we gonna be here for a while. A bunch of shit scattered on the highway in front of you there. Do we get it now? I don't know. See you something's got a radio line over there. The road shut down. It's blocked. I mean, we're all set here. Shut down due to a bad accident. Yeah, we're all getting along here. I forgot to go on there for about 5 minutes, so 464 about the 15, and you had a plane on one white like a groundhog singing out. I don't know 41, but the 69 is shut down there at exit 3, so yeah, you gotta get over at 41 to go around. Anybody else know what's going on? Southbound shut on 69 between the 3 and the 2.5. Yeah, I'm stuck in it. I ain't moving. Is that where you're at too? I'm up here on this overpass. Are you down there close to it? Can you see it? I can't see it, Ian. I see the smoke, but I can't see it.
Well, the car is totally totally like a soda can, I'll tell you that.
Driver, is there a tractor trailer involved or just a car?
Well, they said a tractor trailer, but from where I'm sitting, I can't see what's in front of me. I can just see it on the right side. The car's completely demolished, completely, man, like a soda can.
Jesus, man, that's so sad. I don't think that person made it out for sure.
Well, there's a lot of people running around. They probably was able to get out, but when I pulled up, it just happened, and I'm behind a FedEx truck, so he's in front of me. He can see it all. But they said there was a car got up under the trailer, so I don't know. I can't see what's in front.
Jesus, man. Yeah, it's crazy because I come up on top of this overpass by the section, and it didn't give me enough time. And, man, I would have took that exit back there. But as soon as I passed it, I seen brake lights. No warning at all, so glad I was paying attention. Hey, Neil, you got a copy? Come again, driver? Oh, he's on the... How about you, Neil?
I wonder what happened if a guy was trying to get over on the truck, or what happened. I mean, these people out here, these four-wheelers, man, they don't give two quits about nobody.
I know, man. You see these